Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to block and unblock someone on Instagram, step by step. The process is really simple and works on the latest version of Instagram. So first, let's see how to block someone on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and go to the profile of the person you want to block. You can either search for their username or open their profile directly from your feed or messages. Once you're on their profile, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now select Block. Instagram will show you a confirmation message explaining that the person won't be able to message you, see your posts, or interact with your profile. They also won't get notified that you blocked them. Now tap Block again to confirm. And that's it. The account is successfully blocked on Instagram. If you ever want to unblock them later, now you will see Unblock to message. And done. That person is now unblocked on Instagram. So yeah, that's exactly how to block and unblock someone on Instagram quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.